Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a layer in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and this left sidebar, here you will find this arrow, click here and this is layer icon, click on this layer. Now click on this layer box arrow option and here you will find this import as layer, click here. Now click on this browse option and upload your layer you want to create. We set this on as a layer and give a name to this layer. Now you can rotate your layer and you can change this layer position option, and also you can change this layer ratio. You can increase decrease the layer size if you want, and see this and make it 80. And this is layer opacity, transparency, you can make it transparent. And you can put this layer behind this page and in front of this page, and this page location where you want to place which page, you can select page number 2, select. Now simply select OK and see this all layer now inserted, and this is layer option, and click on this layer and click right button for mouse cursor and select properties. Here you can change, you can lock this layer default status, you can off it, and visibility you can never visible, and export, and so on. Yeah, if you want another layer created, select this option and select input as layer. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.